Okay, little update. This is the next day. I guess it's October 6th, I think. Let me see. True, Sunday, October 6th right now. So I just, the thing dried up and I put the boat on it this morning. My wife was like, yeah, it's a little too high, so I don't like it. And that's why I lowered it. I cut this thing here, and I lowered it and I put it on there. Like, this is the contraption, remember? I had that over there. Well, I didn't have the other stuff on there, but I'll explain that in a second. But I had, remember the hole in there, and that's how I screwed it on the post right there, and it was in the water. So that was pretty cool. But lo and behold, surprise, she but tells me it sucks. So it's ugly. I don't want to look at it. The boat needs to be in the water. So whatever, get rid of it. I was like, fuck. So this is what I was like thinking about it, and I thought I can make a floating dock, but what's the easiest, cheapest way that's not super ghetto? I don't mind a little ghetto, but not super ghetto. So I was just like, okay, I gotta go to Home Depot anyway, and I had to get this 5200 stuff. This is a little advice for you fools. Not fools, sorry, I didn't mean to say that, but it's just a term of expression. But this 5200 stuff, if you ever have a boat, this is what you need at all times to have. This is the most handy stuff on a boat that is known to man. So this is going to fix some of the leaks that I have in my boat. It's floating over there in the water right now. And then if also I've used this before to fix aluminum boat. It's like this epoxy stuff you mix up like putty, but whatever. So I needed that stuff anyway, and I thought, you know what am I going to do to make a floating dock? And then it just came to me, like, I thought about the PVC pipes. I was like, you know what, there's not enough air. I was like, then multiple how much money, and they were like $20 a piece. I was like, you know what, for 100, all told, I don't know, it's money, but now it's done. So I got these two pipes. I'm gonna strap these two together with some with these guys, clamps, but one doesn't fit, so I have two per, so I have to open them up, put two together use two to make one. I put one in the front, one in the back. That'll tie those together. Then I tie that thing that I just built on top, put one on each side, and then hopefully it works. We'll see. I don't know if it's gonna. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work, but only one way to find out is if I can do it. All right, and I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna do another video later. So tonight, and I think I did some thinking this morning in my thinking spot. That's my thinking spot over there. And I think I solved the riddle. I don't know how to explain it exactly, but I think I have a good idea that maybe if people are interested, they'll want to listen to. All right, later.